Less than 5.
And we have had liftoff for our first round of our finals. All three finalists going head to head into the triple gate.
Horseback. And we have a crash.
Crash with Ion and P. Shady still in the lead. IMDC following him back. Ion has had a probable DNF in this round. Shady going ahead. Shady completes his first lap.
Lap 1, 27.5.
And someone crashes. IMDC crashes onto the middle edge gate, turning off the LED lights of that gate. This is what a final is, guys. This is what a final should be.
41.3.
Shady still in the lead, goes through the dive gate, onto the elongated S turns. DC following him, back at the triple gates. Shady finishing his second lap.
Lap
IMDC
35.7.
following him onto the elongated S, onto the third last gate, and back into the start gate for his second lap
Lap 2,
with a time of 33 seconds. Shady back at the dive gate again,
Shady at the third lap.
showing amazing pace in this third lap. He's showing no signs of confusion or reluctancy. He is here to win this game.
And Shady has won the first round.
And
Lap
Shady.
3, 44.2.
Wow. Can we have a huge round of applause for Shady? Oh,
Huh?
That's all?
So, DC, you crashed? You crashed? You crashed? DC crashed? DC crashed? Finish.
Once again.
Holy shit. DC is flying. Yeah, you can go, you can go. So DC is flying, DC is flying.
Oh, DC is still flying his
At the tone in less than 5.
We have the second round of the finals going on now. Shady, Ion and DC showing amazing pace. Shady trying to win this round to win the championship. He knows what is at stake. And so does Ion. He won't let Shady win. Shady and Ion flying real close to each other. High chances of clashes
Ion,
in midair.
lap 1,
These guys
23.9.
are pushing themselves and their quads to an extent.
I'm the believer.
We have a small crash by Shady
Lap
in
1,
one of the games, but he
32.4.
recovers and Iron takes the lead from him. Iron still in the lead from Shady. Shady has to cover up distance.
Ion, lap 2, 23.6.
Iron has already started his third lap. Shady finishing his
Shady,
second lap
lap
now.
1, 55.1.
Iron at the triple gates. Let's just hope he doesn't crash now.
DC,
And he
lap 2,
crashes.
30.1.
But he recovers. Does Shady have a chance? I hope not, because Ion wins the
Ion,
second
lap
round.
3,
Oh!
27.2.
This is getting interesting and exciting. Please stick around
Shady,
until the end,
lap
guys.
2,
This
27.8.
is gonna be remembered forever. Ion is ready. DC is ready. Shady is ready. On the tone, less than 5. And we have liftoff. And it's Ion and Shady. And DC flying again.
Oh my god. Shady's in the lead.
Shady's
Shady is still.
ripping it.
Shady is ripping the drone apart. He's ripping the air.
He's getting confused. Like, Yeah, don't fall out.
Shady, lap 1, 25.2.
Yeah, they'll get tensed.
Ion, lap 1,
Don't fall out the names.
26.2. DC, lap 1, 33.7.
Nice, Shady.
Oh God, I think it's a good chance.
Nice. Ion is far behind. He needs to cover more ground.
DC has crashed her
Shady,
bike.
lap 2,
DC has crashed her bike.
25.9.
Nice. Get the song reels.
Ion, lap 2,
Don't.
29.3.
Both the finalists have completed the second lap. The third lap here. And
Shady, 27.6. Ion, lap 3, 23.1.